Hello friends, this is Prashant from MakerTech 3D Printing Solutions. This is the first video in the series of 3D printing which I will be going to put on this YouTube channel. So people which will be watching this video can be the one who are new to 3D printing, they don't know what is 3D printing, what are the applications of 3D printing. And there could be people who know about 3D printing and they have been doing 3D printing or they have their own 3D printers at their homes and they have been printing few stuff out of the PLA plastic or the plastic material. Keeping all that in mind, I will start with the basic. This would be the intro video. I will not be going into details of what 3D printing is, but I will be covering the basics. And in the coming up videos, I would be doing some practicals like showing you the printer, the printers which I have in my office, the printers which are which are used in India, which are used abroad, the printers which are being developed in India, and some printers which are used in fields like jewelry, some printers which are used in field like dental, medical field. So I will be covering all this, but this is the first video, so I would not be going into more of the details, just the basic, what is 3D printing. So for those who don't know what is 3D printing, it's a field of manufacturing, you can say, and it is being considered as a field which is complementing the traditional field of manufacturing. The technical name of 3D printing you can call is additive manufacturing. It is basically an additive manufacturing technology. So there are two types of technologies, subtractive manufacturing and additive manufacturing. As the name itself says, subtractive manufacturing means that the manufacturing is done by subtracting the material out of the material. That means removing the material out of the material. For example, if you want to make, let me take an example. For example, if you want to make a pen, make this pen from a traditional way, what you will do is you will take a raw material shaft of this die of the pen and then you will just do the turning with the lathe machine or any other conventional machine and make this pen shape by removing the material out of the raw material. So that would be considered as a subtractive manufacturing method. But for example, the other way can be is the additive manufacturing. So you have the powder material of this plastic, okay, and you are putting layer by layer, you are putting the material on a surface, and some technology is coming which is making the particles fuse together one by one, and so the final outcome which will come out of the machine would be the shape of the pen, the body of the pen. So that technology where the particles are being added one over the other, one layer over the other, that technology is called additive manufacturing and commonly known as 3D printing. Okay, so that is what is 3D printing, is additive manufacturing. Now 3D printing, as we know commonly, the most common technology used in 3D printing is FDM technology. FDM technology, why is it famous? It is famous, it has become famous because of the RepRap movement which has gone around the world. What is RepRap movement? The RepRap movement is the design on which the printer is based, the design on which the 3D printer is based. Which 3D printer? The FDM based 3D printer. The most common 3D printer, the design of that printer is an open source now. Okay, so the design being open source, it has been circulated all around the world, and people, the hobbyists and the entrepreneurs and the enthusiasts, they have been using this open source design to create their own 3D printers. For example, Joseph Prusa. Mr. Joseph Prusa, he created his own printer which is a big success, is called Prusa printers, Prusa FDM printers, and they have different range of printers in this series, MK2, MK3, these are different Prusa printers which he has made. So the movement has gone wide and it has moved across the globe, and in India also many people, many companies have come up which are using that open source technology to open source design to create their own FDM based 3D printers, and they are being sold in the market. The range of these printers, like they are coming from, you can say, from 20,000 to 20 lakhs, you can say, depending on the size of the printers, the accuracy of the printers, the the potential of the printer to print different materials, to use different materials. Depending on this, all the printers are being in the market. Okay, so for now, I think for today, this would be the final thing I would like to say, and let me assure you that we will be doing some great stuff on this channel. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.